Today, we're taking a walk through one of the most historic and vibrant parts of Tabriz, the Tabriz Bazaar. This video was filmed on a cool, sunny autumn day, where the crisp air and golden light add a unique charm to this remarkable place. As we stroll through the alleys, our destination is the shoe market, or Bashmaqchi Bazaar. This section of the Tabriz Bazaar has gained international fame, attracting both domestic and foreign tourists each year. Many visitors, while exploring the historic bazaar, make it a point to visit this renowned shoe market, where they often marvel at the brick-lined stalls, grand arches, and the bustling activity of the marketplace. It's a favorite spot for many to capture unforgettable memories. The Bashmaqchi Bazaar acts as a crucial connection between producers and buyers, whether wholesale or retail. Many well-known Tabriz manufacturers showcase their products here, making it a central hub for the region's leather and shoe industry. The market also plays a vital role in the livelihoods of countless families. From shopkeepers and salespeople to leather artisans, workers, drivers, and more. Tabriz is recognized as one of the main hubs for leather and footwear in the country. leather city in Tabriz, located in Mayan, houses over 500 active leather production facilities. These contribute significantly to meeting the leather demands of local manufacturers and exporting Tabriz's exceptional products worldwide. The shoe stores in this market display a wide range of options: formal and casual footwear, summer sandals, comfort shoes, boots, and even specialized sports shoes. Many of these are crafted from authentic leather, made right here in Tabriz. Known for their exceptional quality and durability, Tabriz leather shoes often outlast their foreign counterparts by a significant margin. However, it's always important to be cautious, as some counterfeit products are sold under the name of Tabriz leather. To ensure you're getting authentic Tabriz craftsmanship, it's best to purchase from reputable stores or direct manufacturers. Beyond the shopping experience, this market also contributes to the country's economy through exports, bringing in foreign currency and promoting the global reputation of Tabriz's leather goods. As we walk through the Bashmaqchi Bazaar, notice the vibrant displays in shop windows. These showcase not just shoes, but the artistry, knowledge, and expertise of Azerbaijani craftsmen.
Satanda hiç kendine
The blend of tradition and innovation in these designs is a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage and its ongoing impact on the global market.
Selamatınıza yani. Hiç koymadın ki beni pembele sen ne kadar.
Anneanne aldı. Geçer söz demişsen de dünün
I hope you enjoy this journey through the Tabriz Bazaar and the Bashmaqchi section, a place where history, culture, and commerce come together to create something truly special.